Hi! Welcome, guys! Listen, what's the sound? Chip, 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 chip. Do you hear that? I think it's a little chick calling out its mama. And you say quack, 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 quack. Listen. Quack, 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 quack. It's a little duckling calling out for its mama. Okay, what I have today, I have a hat. Now grab your hat, because we're going to the animal farm together. Are you ready? Do you have your hat? Okay, let's go. Let's sing with the baby animals. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a duckling, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Who's next? Aha! Ba, ba, ba. It's a lamb, a baby sheep. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And I see who is hopping, the bunnies. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a bunny, E-I-E-I-O. With a hop, hop here, hop, hop there. Here hop, there hop, everywhere a hop, hop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. It's a kitten. Meow, meow. Can you say meow, meow? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a kitten, E-I-E-I-O. With a mew, mew here, mew, mew there. Here mew, there mew, everywhere a mew, mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wonderful! And today I have my special guest with us. Ready? Oh, hello. Hi. Hello. I am Mama Roo. Hello. You can just call me Kangaroo Mama or Mama Roo. Yes. Hello. And Mama Roo brought her little baby kangaroo. Hop, 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 hop. Hello. Hello. I am baby kangaroo. Ah, it's nice to see you both. Yes, it's nice to see you too. Hi. Can you say hi to Mama Kangaroo? Wait, 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 wait. Hello. And the baby kangaroo, can you say hi? Hi. Hello. Yeah. Oh, baby kangaroo, you are adorable. Can you give your mama a kiss? Yes. Give a kiss. Mwah. Yes. Give mama another kiss. Mwah. You're so sweet. Okay. Hop on. Bye-bye, Mama Kangaroo and Baby Kangaroo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Okay. Let's check out our cards of the day. We have Mama, Mama, Daddy, Daddy, baby, baby. Next we have mama duck, mama duck, duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Chicken, mama chicken, mama chicken. And chick, chick. Chicks are baby chickens. Chip, 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 chip. They're so adorable. Next, we have rabbit, mama rabbit. Hop, hop. Baby rabbits, they're called bunnies. Bunnies. Mama sheep, mama sheep. Ba, 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 mama sheep. Baby sheeps are called lamb. Lamb. Let's go back again. We have mama, mama. Daddy, daddy. Baby, baby. Duck, duck. Duckling, duckling. Chicken, chicken. Chick, chick. Rabbit, rabbit. Good! Okay, that's it for the day. Thank you for joining me at the Animal Farm. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!